All receptacles and electrical equipment within 20 feet of a pool or spa should be treated as high priority for ground fault circuit interrupter protection. When applying the pool spa GFCI protection thumb rule of house construction, start by identifying every receptacle, light, heater, pump, and hardwired control within 20 feet of the water line and plan GFCI protection for each one. For branch circuit receptacles, use GFCI outlets or GFCI circuit breakers and test them monthly by using the built-in test and reset buttons. If a device will not trip and reset, replace it immediately. For dedicated pool equipment, circuits follow the applicable pool electrical article, which requires GFCI protection for underwater lighting and many motor loads, while also sizing branch circuits and conductor types to match motor nameplate, data, and continuous load rules. Bond all exposed metal components that could become energized, including pool shell reinforcement, ladders, handrails, and metal fittings, by connecting them to the equipment grounding conductor to reduce step and touch voltage hazards. Provide a clearly accessible disconnect means for motors and heaters located within sight of the equipment and label disconnects with the load they control, so first responders or service technicians can isolate power quickly. Finally, coordinate GFCI devices with any spa or pool control systems so that multiple layers of protection do not create nuisance tripping while still ensuring that any ground fault near the water results in quick power interruption. Common mistakes include leaving ordinary receptacles unprotected inside the 20-foot zone, which increases shock risk. Correct that by mapping the perimeter and replacing those receptacles with GFCI-rated devices, or installing a GFCI breaker for the circuit. Another frequent error is failing to bond all metal components, which can leave dangerous voltage gradients. Remedy this by running a continuous equipment grounding conductor to each metal item and connecting it to the main bonding point per code practice. A third issue is improper coordination between motor overload protection and GFCI protection that causes nuisance trips or disabled safety. Resolve this by sizing GFCI devices to the motor starting characteristics, using time-delayed GFCI solutions when permitted, and consulting motor and GFCI manufacturer guidance during installation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for pool and spa electrical work, and helps contractors find jobs by listing projects and connecting people who need work done with those who do it. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and clarify install and safety details.